Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, today we're going to be working on the Busy Ladies that I got from AliExpress a couple of weeks ago, and I'm going to be working right here in her shirt, and I'm going to be using this beautiful blue. It looks like 995 or 996, but it's not. It's 383. I just looked at it. 3843. 3843. All right. So, yep. And that is what we're going to work on. And I will pull you down, of course, and move all my thimbles because you never know when you're going to need those. So, what is everybody up to? In fact, we're going to put them over there just so I can find them. There we go. And unfold that and get the extra needle out of there so I don't stab myself. Holy cow. We're having some issues. It's a Monday. My goodness. Now you might not be able to see what I'm stitching in here just because it's about the same color as the symbol. But I will show it to you up close when we're, you know, done stitching for the day. So, let's see, yesterday I made my ribs in the crock pot, and what else? I had baked beans with that, and I couldn't find a can of regular corn, so I had cream corn, which is good with me because I love some cream corn. Had that, and I had a little bit of my sandwich spread for lunch, and I did not go anywhere. I sat in my rocking chair for, gosh, almost 3 hours stitching on the 19 hairpins. Made some progress there. Don't get excited. It's not like I got 3/4 of it done, because that's not going to happen anytime real quick. Oh goodness. But I stitched on it. I worked on this. I was working on, I don't know if you can see it, the bottom part down there, because I told you I had a bunch of threads hanging, you know, from when I was working on this part of that belt type thing of hers. And I just had leftover thread, so I put it down there. Holy cow, get in there. And, yeah, so no big progress on this. And I stitched a little bit on the Blue Mountains. So, yeah, just kind of here, there, and everywhere. Don't know how busy it's going to be at work today. We will just have to wait and see. You know? Maybe I can pull you out just a tad bit. Whoops. Just so, not quite so close. But yeah, it was just kind of a, didn't even take a nap. Kind of a laid back day. Watch Newstron. Netflix and a little bit of YouTube. But not getting too carried away about nothing, you know? It was beautiful, I mean, as far as it being temperature-wise, but, of course, it was windy, all day, off and on, gust. And I sat there and watched it blow around. I had no desire to go out and sit on the porch. So, what is wrong with this stupid needle? I don't know, but we're getting rid of it. Moving on. Sorry, it'll be a hot moment. Hold, please. All right, I am back. I had to find one of my silly little needle minders. It was under this. I was looking everywhere for it, but that needle just was not long for this world. Sometimes things work in, sometimes not so much. Now, before I forget, I had a couple viewers send me pictures, and I'll put them in here. And if you have any pictures you'd like to share of projects you're working on or projects you finished, you can send it to my email address. It's down in the description box below. Thank you, ladies, for sending your projects. Some were finished, some were works in progress. So yeah, beautiful. And that cat, it looks like that same cat that I have. So I think it's a Joy Sunday kit, I'm pretty sure, of the cat hanging out in the tree. I love that picture. So I think she's doing it actually in Accounted. So hooray for you. Yeah, that won't be happening in my world. Yeah. I really liked it for the longest time, and then maybe not so much. I don't have patience for it, I guess. I'm not sure. It's just a little much. Oh, I might go back to it, but yeah. It takes great concentration skills. In fact, I should have been working on Counted all winter long because, you know, it's nice and quiet. You can concentrate. Yeah, no. So. Oh, well, so I have no plans for this week. None. Not a clue. Did make an order, not saying where. But let's just put it this way. It was not at AliExpress. And I have no idea how long it'll take to get here. So I'm looking for it sometime in May. Because I frankly don't believe that it'll make it this year. This month. Holy cow. We're just wishing the whole year away, aren't we? What is the problem? Holy cow. I don't know why this is being so weird. I don't know. Maybe it's just close up. Such a beautiful color. Of course, we have a piece of cat hair, or fuzz, or my hair. Or... It still didn't go away. There we go. But I take this out and put a few stitches in it. It's not a bad kit at all, usually. Because I worked on that whole belt line thing of hers, you know, like around her waist. Did all that, and I even started on some of the bottom part of the skirt that's made the same way as that belt. Didn't have a problem. I don't know, maybe it's just me today. Beats the heck out of me. It happens. It happens. All the time. That out of the freeway. But I figured this was a nice long run and I wouldn't have to stop and start it, if you will. But I'm really, really pleased with the way that mountain one is going. It is just phenomenal with all those shades of blue. And my great big one. It's starting to take shape. I like it when it has smaller areas and you can kind of see it coming together. So that always helps. Well, this blue is kind of dark, isn't it? It's like doing black on black. which some days I truly refuse to do. I don't like working on black fabric at all. I can do black thread on something as long as the symbol's a little bit lighter. But this is just like stitching over itself. But it's fine. I know there's absolutely nothing wrong with this kit. I was going to start working in her hair and get everybody's black hair all done, but that never happened. I got hung up in this dress. I wanted to see what her outfit was going to look like, so it is what it is. So, what is everybody else working on? Anybody got any plans already for the summer of what you're going to do? I hope to get out to the woods sometime before, you know, it starts snowing all over again, you know, during the summer. So we'll see. Kids have a lot of stuff going on at school, and my daughter's got a bunch of stuff there at the house she's got to take care of. So, yeah. I'm lucky if I can call lunch, you know, every month or so. But it's fine. And it's not something I would strike out to do by myself. Because, you know, there's always that chance I could fall down. And there I'd be. And no way to tell anybody how to get there. Because I really don't pay attention to roads. I just know how we get there, you know? Oh, Lord. But yeah, I don't strike out on my own. Maybe to the town park or something like that down by the water, but that's as far as this old broad's going by herself. Ouch. Dang thing. Well, we're almost there. Don't think we're gonna make it with this thread. All right. Whoop. And then I'll turn it around so you can get the whole view. And then I will bring you out. Come on. There we go. So we almost got that sleeve done. It was a bigger area than I gave it credit for. So all that, and all that, and that part over here as well. It is what it is. Oh my goodness. Didn't need my thimbles, I guess, today. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me and putting up with my blabbering on and on. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.